everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be working on these Maxi Bow Tie Bows. They're really cute and a very simple bow made out of one piece of ribbon, of course with something to wrap the center. And they're a good way to use scraps, especially if you make cheer bows or JoJo bows, because we both know that with those bows you are going to have some of this 3-inch ribbon left over. All you are going to need for this is 10 inches of the 3-inch wide ribbon. I'm going to lay this out and cut this right here, mostly because I forgot to do it previously. Alright, so you're going to need 10 inches of the 3-inch wide grosgrain. I have not used any other types of ribbon, so I cannot say for certain whether it's going to work great with satin or anything else. I strictly use grosgrain for this, so I would recommend you using that as well. On top of the 10-inch wide piece, you are going to need your lighter to heat seal, scissors to cut, needle and thread, the clip of your choice, and a piece of ribbon to wrap the center, and that is it. Oh, and your glue gun, of course, sorry. You're gonna need that too. So, fold the piece in half, find the center, and you're gonna run your lighter across that center a couple times, and then pinch it. This is gonna give you that really, really great crease, which will aid in making this bow. You're going to fold your ends over, but the overlap is only going to be about 1.5 inches. And then that nice crease that we made is going to push right into the center. Flip it around to where you have the front. And you are just going to accordion fold along here. Remember though, you're folding 3-inch ribbon, so your folds are going to be a little bit longer than what you would normally do for smaller ribbon. And I'm sorry if you can hear the road noise in the background. Maine has officially committed to summer weather, even though it's not actually summer yet. So once you have the nice accordion fold, you're going to take your needle and thread. You're going to push the needle up along the crease. Make sure to hit every single layer. Pull it through, and then we just wrap it a couple of times. And bring it around to the back and knot off how you normally do. If you've been here for a while, you know that I run the needle up through underneath all of the thread in the back, wrap it around a couple of times, and then pull through. If you find your bow is not exactly as centered as you would like, this is the time to take and yank on it and get the loops even. Cut off any excess on the back. I'm just going to quick knot my needle so I don't lose it. If I don't knot off the end of the thread, I'll end up losing my needle, and I have cats, and that's not really a great idea. Alright. You are going to take your clip of choice. I am just using a partially lined double prong clip. Run a line of glue along the top and attach it to the back of your bow. Press down for a couple of minutes. I like to pinch the center and just push down, make sure that everything sticks the way I want it to. And then take your center wrap ribbon. Mine is just a scrap piece of red grosgrain. Put it inside the clip. Wrap around. You want to get this tight. You don't want it loose. The keeping it tight ensures that you have a nice, clean center like that. And I will pinch the ribbon between my palm and my pinky and open it up. Just add a little dab of glue. This helps keep it tight. And then lay that and close the clip. And then clip off the excess. Also remove any hot glue strings that you have. Those things are horrible. Heat seal the cut ends. And there you go. You can choose to lay this out and stiffen it. I prefer to lightly stiffen these, but you don't have to if you don't want to. It is solely your choice, but there you go. You have a maxi bow tie bow, perfect for 4th of July. I will be sure to link any applicable ribbons down below that I can. These are all going to be from Ribbon and Bows Oh My. I will do my best to link all of them. And thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those in the comment section below. Also, if you have any video suggestions or requests, please leave those in the comment section below, or find us on Instagram. The link is in the description box. If you have not already subscribed to the channel, there is a subscribe button somewhere around there. Make sure to click that and then click the bell button next to it. Set your notifications to all so you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you really like this video, please click like and share. It really helps in the algorithm, helps get us noticed. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you again next week with another video. Bye!